Hey everyone, all of the music in this video is my own original music. I use GarageBand to create some original music, so go check it out because GarageBand worked really well for me and this new music is life-changing. No more copyright, YouTube.
Hop into a code. Guys, guess what? I found a fan in my code. Me and him are going to explore the new Gorilla Tag update that just got released. They literally just got the beach update out, and they're already making more. So, just jump in our code. Remember to use our code. We'll load in here. Hello, Junior. Oh. So, guys, this is a fan I found in a lobby. He found me on YouTube. What's it? Oh, okay. No. Okay. Are you ready? Alright. Rainy day cosmetics are back. Jump in and let the world see your new, unique rainy fashion. Stay dry, stay stylish, and have a blast. I'm ready to use these rain. The rain won't last forever, neither will these items. Okay, well, we know what that means. Let's go. Junior, come on. Hustle. Okay, I'm scared. Are they good cosmetics? Because if they're bad, I'm going to stay down here. Give me a thumbs up. Are they good? Okay. Whoa! Wait a second! They have the umbrella. 6,000 shiny rocks for a golden umbrella. That's a ripoff. Bro, there's this whole new update in all these old cosmetics. And bro went to the summer flashback. No, you can't stand on them. Like, this one you can stand on. Hold on. There's no... That... What is that the egg? It looks like an egg, bro. You know what this is? Looks like an egg. This is cool. Alright, I want to try these boots on. Try the egg on. We can try... these... Alright. Let's see. First, what the? I have feet. It actually kind of matches. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Bro's decked out. Bro is rich. Bro's got the shiny rocks. Yup. Bro's chilling by the poolside, drinking some stuff. Ooh, this one's cool. I actually like this one. We have this. Oh, whoa, that's really cool. I like the golden one, but it's like... Oh, there's a button. Did you know there's a button? There's like a button on. Bro's still excited about the beach cosmetics. Hold on. ASMR. Hold on. Yeah, ASMR. Alright, drink it. Okay. Ready? ASMR. Oh, now I have to go pee. Potty break. Okay. Oh. It's like Wednesday Addams. Hold on, you want a duel? What is that? Oh, shoot, man. Shoot. Oh, dang. I dropped it. Bro, I just got my shots. Oh, I should not be doing this. Hold on, we have to go see. Did they change anything? Or is it just... Do you know if they changed anything? Is the basement still broken? Oh, the basement's fixed. Do you want to go check out Beach to see if they changed it? Alright. You think they changed Beach? No, you don't think so? We gotta check anyways. Oh, actually, canyons got changed. Wait, we have to check caves. We have to see if it's open. Hold on. This could be a major update. I'll wait for you. Okay. I'm scared. I really hope it's open.